Hello guys, and thank you very much for joining me in this short series where I will show you how you can use Gearbubble, a very popular website platform, to generate an online income, to build an online business out of creating different types of designs and selling them on different types of products like coffee mugs, t-shirts, necklaces, and other type of products like that. Obviously, you might think at first sight that this type of business or model of business is dedicated to designers, but that's not true. Anyone can do this type of business because even if you are not a designer, you can work with someone who is a designer. You can take care of the marketing part, or you can hire someone to create the designs for you, or buy the designs already created. So there are different ways of doing this business. Now, first things first, I want to get you introduced into the actual platform to see how it works. Basically, let's say that you have a couple of very cool designs, both created by yourself, created by your partner, it doesn't matter. What you can do is use those designs to sell them through this platform. Basically, on the platform, you will automatically apply the designs on t-shirts, on coffee mugs, exactly like I've told you earlier, and you just have to upload the design. They will do all the shipment, the fulfillment part for you. They take care of the orders, of the logistics and everything. You just have to take care to have a cool design and to promote the actual product that you want to sell. Okay, so first things first, let me show you exactly how you can create an account on this platform. So the platform is called gearbubble.com, and you will see that there are different spins that you can take for this business. Okay, there are different ways of doing this business, but let's first of all create the actual the actual account that you'll need in order to be able to sell this stuff. Okay, so go to gearbubble.com. You will have some options here. For me, it's as you can see, I've just signed out because I was already logged into the platform. You will have an option to get started. Okay, start selling your own products today. So you will create an account for free on their platform. I won't take you through the account creation part because it's actually very easy. So it's nothing that you have to worry about. Okay, it's just a couple of fields to fill in with your personal information, email address, password, name, and that's about it. And after you have created your account and confirmed it from your email address, you come back to the platform on gearbubble.com. You will have an option here, login. I will press the login button. That's what you will have to do as well. And you can see that I already have my information here remembered by my browser. I will check this option, remember me, so that the next time I don't have to log in again. I will be already logged in when I enter on the platform. And what I want to do right now is press on the login now button, and basically here it is, my dashboard. I've just logged into my account. Okay, so this is the dashboard. It's actually very simple. You see that you have some options here. Basically, this is your menu: get paid, stores, invites, discounts, reports, affiliate dash, launch campaign. Basically, what's very cool about the platform is that you also have this affiliate dash option. So it allows you to sell your products through affiliates, so to give out affiliate commissions, okay, to people who are promoting your products. In my opinion, this is one of the best way that you can use to promote products, because basically you don't have to pay for traffic, and for traffic that you don't know that will actually convert. You are only paying for traffic that sells. Okay, so that's why affiliate marketing, in my opinion, it's one of the best way to go in any type of business. Then you'll see that you have this option here, stores, and I won't go into a lot of detail with that, because in order to be able to access this stores part, okay, for you to be able to create a store on Gearbubble, you need to have at least 3 products live. And how do you put a product live out there? Where first of all, you have to launch a campaign. Basically, a campaign is adding your first product here on the platform to be able to sell it. Okay, so let's see how we can add our first product. Okay, first of all, we go to the launch campaign, we click on this, we have some options: traditional, couple, club, stack, store. We want to go for the traditional one. Okay, and here it is. So the first thing that we have to do is to select our product. Okay, you can see that this is a 3-step process. Select your product, create your design, and add a description. So you can see all the types of products that we have here. We have coffee mug, necklace, bracelet, shirt or hoodie, phone case, hat, beanie, pillowcase, poster all over, and leggings, which is actually pretty cool. So we have like the 11 products, 11 products from which we can choose. So we can use the same design to sell on 11 different products, which can be very profitable, obviously, right? But some of you guys maybe just want to do designs for coffee mugs, some just for shirts, some of you maybe just for beanies or for leggings. I don't know, for example, I've never tested leggings, but I think it can be pretty profitable and cool, okay? But I will just go for this example with the first option that we have with the coffee mug, right? So I will click on the coffee mug and I will press the next step button here. And here we go, we are into our next step, okay, from the process. You can see that we have a button here, upload design. Basically you have to click here. You already have to have your design ready, already created, in order to be able to put it on the coffee mug, okay? You can see your design when you apply it like this, or you can check this point here, use full wrap image, so you can see basically how your design will come on the whole coffee mug. You can see that this area here is the center of the mug, okay? Why? Because it's round, the mug is round, so we cannot see how the design comes only if it's in this wrap mode, okay? But I like to see it like this. But anyway, if you just want a simple design that it's applied on one side, that's okay. If you want to see the whole image, just use the full wrap image, right? Then after you upload your design, and I will just upload something for the test, you have to choose the default style. So you have to choose the type of mug that you want to use, okay? And you'll see that you have like four options here, okay? This one is the small one, the variation, the metallic variation of this one, and you also have the color changing mug. So basically the color changing mug is that type of mug which when you pour hot drink into it, hot water or something, okay, because of the temperature, you will actually be able to see the design. Otherwise it will be black, okay? So when the mug it's empty without any hot drink in it, okay, it will be black. Or when it has cold drink in it, it will be black. But when it has a hot drink like coffee, tea or something, it will become white and allows you to see the actual design, right? So this can be something very interesting, but I will go for the normal one right now. And after that we have to choose the color. So we have the default color. We can see that we can add other colors as well. We have white and black. Let's go for add color, click color to remove, okay, add color. No, so basically for this type of product we have only these two colors, okay, black and white. Now let me show you how the design looks like if you upload a design on it. So let's upload our graphic. You can see that you have some requirements here, like maximum file size, file types, full wrapped image dimensions. Each dimension background must be transparent, logical, okay? So take in consideration these requirements, especially the file size and the file type. And I will just click on this button, upload graphic. I will look for cat. I know that I have downloaded the PNG icon with a cat, so this is it. I don't know if anyone would buy this, but this is just for the example. Okay, so this is our design and this is how it looks on the actual mug, okay? Now we can play around with the design. I mean, we can move it, okay, wherever we want, but we want it in center, okay? We can rotate it if we want to. As you can see, you just have to go with your cursor over the image and you have all of these options, right? You can resize it. You just have to click here on the small icon and hold the click pressed, okay, and drag and drop to change the size. So I think this is a good size for this, okay? We can center it, okay, and that's about it. So this is how it will look, okay? This is how our mug will look with the icon on it. Then you can see that the next option that you have is the base cost. So here is basically the price at which you sell, and here you can see the profit that you make for every sale, okay? Now what you want to do probably is you want to check out the marketplaces out there, okay, where people buy coffee mugs like the one you want to sell, and see which is the average price and go probably for that price, or even a little bit below, or if you sell something that is similar to other products, you have to go for the same price or a little bit lower. If you sell something that has something unique, and that's how it's recommended, you can go for a little bit higher, but not too much. Okay, I don't know, for example, if a coffee mug sells for $19.95, I think it's a little bit much. I would sell it, for example, for $9.95 or $11.95. And I think that $7 for a coffee mug, it's more than enough in profit. I mean, if you sell like 5 discs every day, it's more than enough in profit for a single model that you have of coffee mug, right? Then you can also give your design layer a name, so you can save it for the future. You can also add a text layer to the design if you want to, or another photo layer, but I don't want to. I just want to leave it like this. Okay, you can also duplicate the image on the back, sorry. That means that on the other side of the coffee mug, you will have the image, the same image put again. Okay, and when you are done with everything, you just have to press next step. Okay, so we'll press next step, and bear with me for a couple of seconds till the whole campaign loads, till the app loads actually. So this is how the coffee mug will look like. Pretty nice, right? You have to give your campaign a title. Be sure that you give a good title to your campaign, an attractive title, because this is what your customers are going to see, or potential customers. Okay, like super cool limited edition cat coffee mug. Okay, something like that, and that's it. Then you have the description. Okay, the description field, it's already populated by them, but you can add your own things in here, your own details, like the coffee mug dimensions, okay, the details about the design and stuff like that if you want to. Okay, like how many pieces are available. You can add scarcity in your description and other things like that. So it's your option, obviously. And after you are done with the description, you have to choose a category for your product, which is, by the way, optional, but it's recommended. At least I recommend you to do so. And we will choose animals. Then you have to add tags like coffee mug, okay, cat lover, okay, cats mug, okay, store funny, and that's about it. Okay, so this is just an example. You can add different tags. I recommend you to add keywords and stuff that are relevant for your product, because it will be easier for people to find it that way, and it will also help you maybe in time to get traffic from other places like Google, the Google search engine, and other things like that. Then you have the campaign length. Okay, and basically the campaign length, how much you want a campaign to last. Okay, like 6 days, okay, 5 days, and when do you want it to end. Okay, to select the hour. Then you have to choose an URL to create an URL for your product. Funny cat. Okay, so this is our URL. Start selling, set selling price. So this is our selling price. Button text, so you can choose the text on your button. Buy now. Campaign options, evergreen. So basically, even if you have chosen the campaign to be only 5 days, basically the campaign will be evergreen. Okay, so you will be able to sell and sell and sell again and again. Set back as default site to show for the product. Now we want it on the front. Terms of service, okay, everything it's ready right now. Okay, you have to check the terms of service obviously as well. So check all the details once again, so you can be sure that you didn't miss anything. And after all this part is done, you just have to press this button, launch campaign. Okay, and basically you will see that you are ready to launch your campaign. Okay, so this is it, guys. Very, very simple. Our new campaign is now live. Let's check it out. So you will see that we have this link here. Okay, so this is our campaign. Okay, $11.95, super cool limited edition cat coffee mug. Okay, buy it now. So this is how your page of your product will look like. Okay, you can just, I think I didn't put the C in here in the funny. It's funny at. It should have been funny cat, but anyway, we got the idea. This is just an example, so no worries. What you want to do is copy this link here and promote it in any places you want, okay, in order to get sales. Or you should have a marketing strategy before you launch a product. That's the whole idea. Or I will show you a couple of places in other videos where you can sell your products. Actually, this is the business model that I was talking to you about, okay? So you can give different spins to this business model. Either you already have a community centered and passionate about your niche, or you can use different techniques to get sales for your products, okay? Now let me go back because I haven't showed you a couple of other things here. You can view your campaign to see exactly statistics. You can optimize this campaign, select related campaigns, select an upsell. You can upsell people, maybe sell also a t-shirt. You can set up a pixel. Okay, maybe you want to install a Facebook conversion pixel on your page so you can retarget people after that. So you can do all of this type of things, but I won't go into any details because it can be complicated. If you already know how to do Facebook ads, you know what Facebook pixel is. An upsell, I think everybody knows what an upsell is. Basically, you can create another product, okay, with a different design or the same design, like a t-shirt or a bigger mug. Maybe people will want to buy 2 mugs, or the metallic mug or something like that. And that's about it. So you can go through these options as well if you want to, okay? So this is it, guys, for this video. I hope this was helpful for you. I'm looking forward to see that you have created your GearBubble account and you have set up your first campaign. And I'm also looking forward to see you in the other videos and in the next lectures as well. Bye bye till next time. Sorin here. Hello guys, and welcome back to this video where I'm going to share with you what you can actually do with the products that you have designed and put on sale using GearBubble, okay? So basically you have seen how you can launch a campaign on GearBubble. You have seen that you can create different types of products. You just have to upload the design. You can create t-shirts, necklaces, mugs, pillows, and whatever you could think about that could be obviously personalized. So basically, after you have launched your campaign there, your mug, your t-shirt, or whatever, you want to sell it, right? Now, in the case in which you have a community, for example, maybe you are passionate about French bulldogs or something like that, and you have a blog or a website which has traffic, you have an email database of people who would actually buy stuff from you, or a community, then that's fine. You probably already know how to market your products. But what do you do when you don't have these things, when you don't have the community, okay? When you're just starting out from scratch and you just want to make a business and be able to sell a very good design that you create, and you want to sell products with that design, okay? So basically starting from scratch without having any experience. Well, one way to go would be to try out Facebook ads, okay? But Facebook ads are pretty expensive. They are not that easy to create, and basically to find the right type of ad. So probably you'd have to burn a couple of hundreds of dollars till you find the right combination, and you don't want to do that, right? Especially in the beginning when you are just starting up. Afterwards, maybe after a while, after you are making a couple of thousands per month, you are able to, I don't know, just throw away a couple of hundreds of dollars to optimize your Facebook ads in order to work. But in the beginning, you do not afford to do that, right? So you want something that can generate you sales, like free traffic, okay, or something which is pretty targeted and you somehow know for sure that will generate sales for you. Some of the first things that I would recommend you guys to do is try to sell your products on marketplaces, okay? And a first example of marketplace where you can sell your products is Amazon.com. Basically on Amazon you can become a seller. Okay, it's very easy to become a seller. You have to pay like a monthly fee of $49. And afterwards, after you become a seller, for the first month is free. So don't worry about that. You don't have to pay the $49 from the beginning. It's free the first month. So you have like a trial period. Afterwards, it's $49 per month. It's not a big deal. If you have multiple listings and you start to sell, it's not a big deal at all. So how do you create your Amazon seller account? Now, what does that mean? For example, if we go to an Amazon product, okay, or let me just go to the department store. Let's see, mugs. then we just search for mugs. Okay, it's much easier this way. Okay, and then we scroll down. So you can see here that there are a lot of types of mugs here, and the cool part is, for example, if you look at this one, okay, this mug here, it says FBA seller. Okay, so basically this mug is sold by a seller like you. This one the same, the ones that where you see FBA seller, it's sold by someone like you. This one the same, this one the same, this one actually by 8 different types of person is sold. So as you can see, there are many people like you who are selling on Amazon, so it's very easy to do it. Okay, it's not so hard. What you want to do in order to be able to sell like this, you have to go on Google, search for Seller Central. Okay, you have to go to this first address here, sellercentral.amazon.com. And here, because I already have an account, I won't log in, but the whole idea is that not already selling on Amazon, you have to register. Okay, go and click on this link, register now. And after you register, okay, you will have two options of selling. You will have fulfillment by Amazon, and you don't want to do that one. That's for something different when you have your own products, your own stock of products, okay, and other things. And you will have another option, fulfilled by merchant. That's the one that you have to go for. You have to create your seller account, and then you have to list a product and select sold by merchant, fulfilled by merchant. What does that mean? Whenever somebody orders your product, you will get all the details from them. They will pay to Amazon, and with those details you can make the order on Gearbubble and send their order. Okay, so this is very easy. So you get paid in Amazon, you get the details of the person who pays you. This is called drop shipping. Okay, you get the details, where the address and everything, where you have to ship the product. Then you go on Gearbubble, you make an order on Gearbubble with the details of that person, and Gearbubble will deliver the products directly to that person. It's very easy. It's called drop shipping. You just copy and paste the order from Amazon with the details of that person and put the order in Gearbubble, and that's it. It will ship directly. Gearbubble will ship it directly to that client. Okay, very similar to what you can do on Amazon. It's eBay. You can go to eBay. Also, you probably already know it's a huge marketplace. You have to create an account. You will have a selling options in your account, and after you apply to become a seller, an eBay seller, you can start to create listings. You have a maximum of 10 listings in the beginning. Afterwards, after a certain number of transactions and after a certain amount of money which went through your account, you are able to list more products. Okay, but in the beginning, just create an account on eBay. You will see that you have the possibility to sell after you create your account, and you just apply for that selling account. Okay, create your first listing and sell the products through eBay. Now, why do I recommend you to go to these marketplaces like Amazon and eBay? Because they already have traffic, and it's free traffic, and more than that, these are actual people who are looking to buy stuff. Okay, because otherwise they wouldn't searching for products on marketplaces, right? These are people who are actually interested already in buying stuff. So the probability for them, if they go to see your product on your listing, to actually buy your product is very big. Okay, because they are already interested. That's why they are on eBay, on Amazon, to buy stuff. Okay, so this is very important. Now, another website that you can use in a very similar way like eBay and Amazon, it's Etsy.com. Now, most of the sellers which are here on Etsy.com, for example, let me go to jewelry, anklets. Okay, so most of the sellers that you will find here are people who are doing like handmade jewelry, handmade clothing and stuff like that, you know, different types of handmade stuff. So basically something like coffee mugs or things like that. Let me search for coffee mug, right? Coffee mug. Okay, so things like coffee mug, personalized coffee mug and stuff like that, you will find them all over the place here, and basically you can sell them for a very good product, right? You can see here $14, okay, $14, $10. So you actually get a very good margin for these products that you'll sell here. Okay, so this is another way to go for it. Go on Etsy, and people who are coming on Etsy are actually interested in buying this type of stuff. Okay, because this is a marketplace for stuff, for products which are personalized and handmade. Okay, so this is a very good place also to put your products. So right from the get-go, I just given you free options that you can use in order to start from scratch to sell your products from Gearbubble, okay, without actually having to put any other money into advertising or creating, I don't know what other kind of things, okay. Now another thing that you can do, and this is the final thing that I will show you in this video, is actually create a Facebook store. So what you have to do is go on Facebook, create a Facebook page, like something related to the niche, okay, that you are selling the products in. For example, I've talked before about French Bulldogs, right? So that was our niche as an example. Now you can go on Facebook, create a page related to French Bulldogs, okay? And after you create a page, you will see that on Facebook automatically right now in the tab section right here, you will have this option, shop, okay? So basically all the pages have a shop on Facebook. So what you can do is also create a shop on Facebook. So go into this tab, edit it, you will see that it's very intuitive, very simple to create it. Create a shop on Facebook, add your product from Gearbubble there with details and everything. And after that, as I've told you before, if you are experienced in advertising on Facebook, you can create your own Facebook ads to advertise your shop on Facebook, or you can drive traffic any other way, okay, to your Facebook shop. Maybe invite friends who you know are passionate, go into groups, okay, Facebook groups about French Bulldogs, go on Instagram, search influencers that can promote your product, and so on, okay. So there are different ways of approaching this as a business, but my recommendations, especially in the beginning, go on Amazon, go on eBay, go on Etsy, create those accounts, publish your products there, and you'll see that sales will come in if you choose the right price and you create a beautiful design and a beautiful listing. Okay guys, thank you very much. I hope that this was helpful for you, and I hope that you will put this in practice, and also I hope that you will make a business out of this and that you will make many sales and many profits. I'm actually looking for your success stories out of this, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions. And till next time, and till my next videos, and I expect to see you in my other videos and lectures as well. I wish you all the best and maximum success. Bye bye for now. Sorin here.